Hi everyone, this is Mons Michael. Today I am discussing about an analysis which is done with the help of pivot table function in Microsoft Excel. And this is the content of my presentation. First I will explain the objective of my analysis, then I will introduce the data with you. Then I will show you how to do pivoting. Then I will explain the resulted pivoted table and graphical representation of my analysis, then the conclusion and the reference. So my objective is to find out the region-wise corona test positivity rate in Ontario province, Canada. And this is a screenshot of my data. And the dataset combines daily snapshot of reported data on COVID-19 testing in Ontario province, Canada. So the data which contains almost 800 observations and 8 variables. The first variable which is the reported date. The second one is the region. So it's a region in Ontario province, and the third one is the total number of tests happened in that particular date at that particular region, and the fourth one is the tested positive cases, fifth one number of tested negative cases, and the sixth one is the pending result. The seventh one is the number of unknown results, and the last one is the number of patients who is in isolation. And this is the data. So for doing my objective, or to fulfill my objective, I have to do pivoting. So I have to find out the corona test positivity rate. So it will be fulfilled with the help of pivot table function. So for doing pivoting, we have to select insert, then pivot table. After clicking, we will direct to a table like this. Then here we have to select our range. So we have to select the range in which our parent data occurred, then click a new worksheet, then select OK. So after this one we directed to this page, and in this page we have two separated tables are there. One is in the left side and the other is in the right side. So in the right side table all my variables are listed here, and in their bottom there is 4 spaces. One is for filter, one is for columns, one is for rows, and one is for values. So I have to drag and drop my variables in these 4 spaces, and corresponding changes will happen in this area. So this is the resulted pivoted table after I am done my pivoting. So I put region in rows. So in the first row, in the first column, region is there, central, eastern, northern, Toronto, western, and I put number of tests in values and tested positive in values. So it takes the sums, and I put values in columns. So my first variables become region, second one becomes the sum of number of tests, third one becomes the sum of tested positive cases, and using this one I can easily calculate the test positivity rate. So the test positivity rate is the sum of tested positive divided by sum of total number of tests. So for central the tested positivity rate is 6.55, for Toronto it's 2.42, and so on. So in general or in total, out of 16 lakh number of tests, 38,000 people became positive. So the test positivity rate in the whole Ontario province is 2.31. So this is the graphical representation of the analysis. So in the x-axis there is region, and in the y-axis that is the test positivity rate in percentage. So for central it's for 6.55%, for eastern it's 0.19%, for northern it's 0.47%, for Toronto it's 2.42%, and for western it's 0.39%. So from this one we can conclude that the central region of Ontario province has the highest corona test positivity rate, and the eastern region, which is 0.19, has the lowest corona positivity rate. And I got this data from a website called data.ontario.ca, and this is the URL of my dataset. So this is all regarding my analysis. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you for being listened to me. Thank you all. Have a nice day.